The new Maruti Suzuki Alto will be based on the Heartect-A platform. It will employ BSV-compliant engines and will comply with upcoming crash test norms. It could launch in early 2020. The new generation Maruti Suzuki Alto was spotted testing in Delhi NCR earlier this week. The new Alto features SUV design traits, which seem to be inspired by the concept Future S, which was showcased in India at last year's Auto Expo. With the concept Future S, Maruti Suzuki envisioned a new entry-level hatchback with SUV styling. The new Alto could be launched in early 2020, possibly at the 2020 Auto Expo. The new Maruti Suzuki Alto features a two-box design with a raised bonnet and an upright A-pillar. The car will get oval-shaped taillights. The spy image shows the test mule with a circular center-set instrument console, which was a design trait on the concept. The instrument cluster features digital readouts and is flanked by AC vents on either sides. We can expect the 2020 Alto to feature the new 7-inch SmartPlay Studio infotainment system. To meet the upcoming crash test norms, the new Alto will reportedly be based on a safer and stronger Heartect-A platform, which also underpins the new Wagon-R. The car will comply with the frontal offset impact and pedestrian protection safety guidelines. Furthermore, it is likely to be equipped with ABS with EBD and a driver airbag as standard, while higher variants will feature dual front airbags. The current generation Maruti Suzuki Alto is available with two engine options, an 800cc 3-cylinder motor, 47 bhp. It remains to be seen whether Maruti Suzuki will retain both the engines or discontinue the smaller engine to accommodate a bigger 1.2-liter powertrain, similar to the new Wagon-R. What we do know is that the new Alto will get BSV-compliant engines. Maruti Suzuki's best-selling car in India will rival the Renault Kwid, Tata Tiago and the Datsun Retigo. Image source.